Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Clayco Samsung Galaxy S21 cases. We have all three variations of the phones that are coming out. So we have the Samsung S21, S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. Now I gotta say, these are big phones to begin with. They're way bigger than the iPhone 12 lineup. That's just insane because those are already big phones. So these are the Clayco Xenon cases, and they are certified drop protection and they're really good. I'll also be doing a subcase video for the S21 if you want to see that. Stay tuned. All of them have the installation QR video, helpful hints, and how to install it properly. So here it is. As you can see, first thing, you're basically greeted off with the fingerprint sensor. So you have to peel off that thing so you'll be able to use the in-fingerprint display. And yeah, so this is the S21 Ultra foam protection. Taking it off. The fingerprint display part is a little thinner plastic. You have a cutout for the camera right here, as you can see. High quality cases, and they look amazing. Look at that, beautiful case. A large camera cutout because the S21 Ultra has a really big camera. You have like 5 cameras or something like that. Not only that, it's a pretty big phone as well. I believe it's the 7 or 8 inch phone, which is getting closer to tablet size, but yeah, it's a really big phone. So the S21 Plus, same thing. So basically what I'm doing is I'm separating the case from the bottom right. There's like a little insert. You just put your finger right there and push down, and then you'll be able to open it really easily. So this one, S21 Plus. I'm not going to peel off these ones anymore because they're a little harder to peel off. I have to take off my gloves. A really good looking case. I'm also getting a ton more cases from Subcase soon. So if you guys want to see that video, like I said in the intro, make sure to go look at that. So it has like a carbon fiber texture, really good grip, and ultimate protection on these because these are amazing. I believe these are microphone cutouts. On the bottom you have charging port, speaker, it's probably the flash, and then the 3 camera lenses. Get the last one out. So this is the normal S21, and I believe all of these are supposed to have 120 hertz. As of the time recording this, the S21 is not out, so I don't know all the specs. I just know rumors. This is the inside, by the way. Has a nice texture right there, so it'll help stay in place when it falls, if it does fall, as well as some corner protection, so really good. So most of this is made out of silicone, polycarbonate, and that's pretty much it. This one's a nice size actually, and as you can see, this is what it looks like in the hand. Really nice. I like the grip on it. I don't know the colors. Black goes with everything, so these are going to look good with no matter what color you get. All of their cases are usually under $20, some around $20. They're not that expensive. Link is in the description, Amazon, and yeah, you get these really quick before they sell out. Pretty much that's it. Really good phones. Oh, you have texture buttons here. Super good looking cases. I like these. So they all are rocking one speaker apparently. The only difference is size and camera. For the exterior, the internal components, obviously it's going to be a lot different. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.